House with 3 Gardens by Alan plus Crippa in FUENLABRADA, Spain. After a basement fire, the fire spread and destroyed large parts of the building. We considered the appropriate approach to dealing with the damaged structure. Instead of opting for a complete demolition, we chose a strategy of partial dismantling starting from the attic, followed by an extension. This allowed for the reuse of a significant portion of the building structure, shortened the construction time for the family, and preserved the garden that had evolved over the decades with its beautiful trees and plants. A new timber frame structure on the upper floor rests on the exterior walls and spans the entire width of the house. This enables a new floor plan that functions independently of the existing load-bearing walls on the ground floor. The substantial timber beams become defining elements of the space and form a grid with 9 rooms that are interconnected and delineated by large sliding doors. The existing spiral staircase is exposed and, thanks to the open floor plan, takes on a new significance. An intensively green plant ring marks the transition between the existing ground floor and the new construction on the upper floor. It also serves as a canopy with structural sun protection for the ground floor and simultaneously promotes biodiversity. Another garden is located on the roof, where an elevated PV system allows for a green roof with abundant vegetation and a cooling effect for the house.